How you do me like Joanna? Joanna. How you do me like Joanna?
Hey Spiffy Family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I want to welcome you. I'm Patrice. It'd be great if you hit that subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up because you are awesome. I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. Hopefully you can hear me because I am outside, and if you did not know, I am in Maryland and there's nowhere for me to actually record at my family's house, so I had to come outside. So I want to share these top favorite oils of mine with you guys, and I want to just talk about oils a little bit because some people have questions about what oil to use and like what's a good oil, what's a bad oil, what's, you know, like they want to know, and this might help you. So hopefully this video is helpful for any of you guys out there. So let's get into it. Remember that all oils are not created equal. Every oil has a different property, they have different benefits, and they do different things. And you might think, okay, well, I can just use any oil, which technically you shouldn't, but I mean, you can. So I'm gonna just talk about these oils because I feel like it's very important when you are taking care of your locks, maintaining your locks, or even if you're a loose natural, you want to have the oil that best, you know, works for you. So specifically, we're going to talk about carrier oils and we're going to talk about essential oils, and these are not the same type of oils. Now, a carrier oil is what you would use to dilute a essential oil. So essential oils usually are very strong and you don't want to use it on your skin directly. You don't want to apply it to your scalp without diluting it. So it's important that you use a carrier oil so that it can, you know, you can reap the benefits from the actual oil. Let's briefly talk about carrier oils. Carrier oils are commonly utilized in situations where oil is directly applied to the skin. Generally, this includes oils that are used for massages, pain relief, or beauty treatments. These carrier oils are in your shampoo bottle, your conditioner, or many products that are found in your local beauty supply store. The oil is derived from a fatty portion of a nut, seed, fruit, or kernel of a vegetable or other plant using one of the two main methods of extraction, maceration or cold pressing. Cold pressing being a lot more preferable, but please do your research on more information on that. Some of the most common carrier oils include olive oil, argan oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, carrot seed oil. The list goes on and on and on. So definitely do your research on what carrier oil you would want to use on your loose natural hair or locks. Now let's talk about essential oils. These oils are more concentrated than carrier oils and often too strong to apply directly to the skin. These oils are frequently used in aromatherapy but must be diluted with a carrier oil or water for most other purposes. Common essential oils include lavender, lemongrass, rosemary, peppermint, tea tree oils, along with many others. Extra virgin olive oil is actually a carrier oil. It's a moisturizing and clarifying agent, and it's really light in consistency, so you don't have to worry about stickiness. Your hair is not going to be super greasy, and you can use it all over your skin. You can use it on your hair. I like to use it on my skin, and I also use it on my hair to mix other oils, to make my own concoction. So olive oil is definitely something that is in my cabinet to, you know, that I reach for when you know, maintaining my locks. Now the next oil I'm going to talk about is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil. This oil is very strong and you have to dilute the tea tree oil unless you are actually applying it to like a small area, such as like if you had a keloid. I remember when I used to use tea tree oil on my keloid and it went away. Tea tree oil is also a natural antiseptic, so like, you know, this can cure a lot of things. It's good for dandruff, it's good for you know, thinning areas like the scalp. It's good for so many things. So I really suggest that you do your research on each oil, but I really love tea tree oil because it is a very powerful essential oil and it has so many benefits, like so many benefits. It's almost like a miracle oil in a way. Tea tree oil also have an antibacterial property where it would just get rid of like fungus or bacteria, so it is really good. The next oil that I love is the rosemary oil, and I apply this to my shampoo. I apply this to my my oil concoction, and it's because like it definitely keeps my hair strong, and it will allow your hair to grow. So say that you have a thinning area and you're just concerned about it, you want to just massage that rosemary oil onto your scalp along with the carrier oil. Make sure that you dilute it with another oil and just massage that area like probably like every other day, every 2 days, 3 days, something like that, and you will see a huge difference. The next oil is jojoba oil, and I actually use this for my hot oil treatment. So jojoba oil is actually closest to the natural sebum of our scalp. Very light in consistency, it has like a really like fresh type of scent in my opinion, and I really like that oil to do a hot oil treatment because it just allows my hair to be really soft. My very last oil is the Jamaican castor oil, and this is an oil that I really love. It is very thick, so you want to be careful on using too much. You don't want to use Jamaican black castor oil all over your locks because it's very thick and it can clog your pores if you're not careful, but it does do the trick. It does, make your hair a lot thicker. So if you have thinning edges, or if you have a thinning area where you would like to grow back, applying the Jamaican black castor oil would definitely help to allow your hair to grow back. And also take in consideration that you also have to have a routine so that you can allow your hair to grow back. It's not only just applying the oil to your scalp or to wherever the area is thinning. You want to make sure that you are actually having a routine to do your hair and to maintain your hair. It's going to be a lot of patience, it's going to be a lot of time, and if you want something, then you will actually have to dedicate some time to your hair and take care of it. Now, if you're someone who goes to a loctician, you also still want to do your research on how you want your loctician to take care of your hair. You want to touch bases with your loctician and say, hey, look, I wanted to use this on my hair. The thing is, just because you're a professional does not mean you know everything. So of course your loctician may not know a lot of things that you might have researched about. So informing your loctician about something that you researched about would be helpful for you in your journey, because they're the one who are taking care of your hair, and you want the best for your hair so that it can be healthy and it can grow nice and thick and long. Hope you found this video helpful. I hope you have a wonderful and beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, be spiffy and be you.
Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Mad. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me